TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. Monday morning, 9 a.m., 30 minutes until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices look to open the week dramatically higher after a tough week last week. Dow Jones currently futures up 209 points, trading 24,364. S&P is positive by 24 points, trading 2641. And NASDAQ positive by 55 points, trading 6470. All those major indices about 0.9 positive higher percent. Let's jump over to the VIX, start things off, see where we are. So, of course, last week, as you saw an acceleration last week to the downside, we even had the VIX spiking above 40 on Friday, all the way up to 41. This morning, looking like 2642 currently on that VIX. We'll see where the day leads us. If you were paying attention last week, always a roller coaster towards the end of the day, and we'll see if this week is any different. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets. We'll start things off with the S&P 500. There you see the thrust higher starting at about 3 in the morning, trading from about 2630 all the way up to 2655. From there, pulling back a bit, 2642 currently in the S&P 500 futures. NASDAQ 100, somewhat of a similar pattern, kind of just chopping around since about 4 in the morning, currently trading 6473. Dow 30, similar pattern, a little bit lower from the chop that we had overnight, currently trading 24,367 in the Dow 30 futures. Gold trading 1321. Gold saw some volatility last week as well, with the market seeing some volatility. Crude oil just above $60, $60.16. Crude having a tough week last week, trading down. And Bitcoin staying up in that $8,600 level. Just last week, we were at 6,000. Bitcoin struggling a bit, but 8,600 seems to have found a range that it likes. Other news out there you have this morning, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield climbs back to a 4-year high. The yield rising above 2.89% for the first time in 4 years. Pretty remarkable. Another story I found interesting out there, record $23 billion flees the world's largest ETF, which is the Spider Fund, S&P's. Pretty remarkable with all the turmoil we had last week. $23.6 billion in outflows last week amid the worst momentum swing in history. Pretty remarkable. Stay tuned. We have our man Larry Pesavento coming up with Trade What You See right now. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Then, of course, we have swim lessons. Our man Basil Chapman at 12. Dave White, Steve Rhodes, and Tom O'Brien this afternoon. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much.